Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Si es la primera vez que ves mi cara bonita, bienvenidos. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing crochet locks on my 4C hair, and I'll be parting my hair into two, making a corner behind, and then for the two parts that I left out in front, I'll be doing individual twists. One of the reasons I love this particular hairstyle is because it's quite easy to do, and it's lightweight, and of course it is also easy to take down. It is also another form of protective hairstyle, especially now that we're entering the Harmattan season or the winter season, depending on your region. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sit back and enjoy the tutorial. Don't forget to drop a comment in the section below. Ask any questions if you have one. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle, your honest review. And I don't know, but I think my cornrows are getting better. Front part, I have a separate video, a detailed video explaining what I was doing here. I'll be dropping the link above. You can also check my description box too, and you can give this hair more volume by adding more lock extensions, but mine, I don't want it to be so big, so this is what I'll be settling with. Yeah, and that's it. And of course, except you're new to this channel, you would know that accessorizing is a necessity. Okay, it is necessary. It is not compulsory, but it is necessary. Please don't forget to drop a huge thumbs up on this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Hasta pronto. Heavy metals like Slipknot, got the driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm Dunder Mifflin. See the end game, I got one division. Look, I don't ever bother with a critic. Hit him with a chronicle Riddick. Boom, bottle full of Ritalin. I hit him with a little bit of riddle me this, riddle me that. My bad, fell asleep at the gas. No time to wait though. Elon Musk, I'm trying to bankroll. New Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan Van Gogh. I just did it. W's only, you know I've been